Prince.
Wes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too. Okay, guys. Do you like stories, guys? What kind of stories that you usually read? Fairy tale. Do you ever read story like fantasy too?
Sometimes no.
What do you usually read?
Adalah pokoknya
What the name of the story? The title? Apa ya? Okay, that kind of story is called text. So text is a text that tells a story from the past events. In here we are gonna learn to identify the structure and language feature of narrative text, and also we are going to understand the purpose of narrative text. As we know that the purpose of narrative text is to entertain, but it's not all just to entertain. It can also to teach moral values. So story not only can entertain you, but you can get something. You can learn something from it. And the next is the structure. The structure of narrative text is there are three structure that should has in narrative text, and there is one structure of it that's optional. The first is the orientation. It introduces the characters, setting, and the time. In orientation, it tell you about the characters and the setting where the story takes place and the time when the story was happened. Example is like this: when the orientation is in the orientation, the example is like this. Once upon a time, there lived a poor widow and the son named Malik Uda. And the next is the complication. In the complication, it shows the main conflict problem faced by the character. In complication, the main character or the character on his story usually or not usually always is where the conflict, the problem is happen in the story. Example is like this: Malik Udang became rich and forgot his mother. So this is the complication from the story of Malik Udang. And the next is the resolution. It describes how the problem is solved, either happily or sadly. The resolution is a part where the story is concluded and it tells how the story is and whether it's happy or sad. The example is like this. His mother cursed him and Malin turned into stone. This is one example of the resolution of the story from Malin Kundan's story. Also, sometimes narrative text also include reorientation. It's optional whether the writer wants to put it on its story or not. This is like a closing comment or moralization. Yes, this is a moralization that the writer writes on his story. Example is like this: we must respect our parents. This is the moralization that we can get from the Malin Kundan story. And the next we have the language features that the narrative text is always used. The first is the past tense, of course, as we tell a story from the past, we must use the past tense. The past tense is used to tell events that are already happened. The example is like he lives with his mother in a small village. The second language feature is action verb. It shows what the character do. This is like she cried, he ran, and they fought. And the third is the time connective. It shows the sequence of events happen. It's like then, after that, finally, and what upon that. And the fourth is adjective and adverbs. It describes people, places, and actions. And the example is like beautiful princess, and he ran quickly. And next is direct and indirect speech. And it used to show the dialogue between the characters, like mother said and the Malin. The mother said one is the indirect and the good is the direct speech. The sixth is as there is a specific noun. It refers to a particular people or places, like Malin Kundan and Padang Beach. And next, I want to show you a video, and I want you to tell me about the moral value that you can get from it, or as you can tell, just what you have seen from the video.
Yes, pasti berguna, ya kan?
Jadi kan kita.
Waduh, kayak kena. Jadi mana? Seruan juga.
Okay, so guys, you have already seen the video. Now I individually I want you to tell me what is the moral value or what you have seen from the video.
Me.
Okay. But
It reminds us to help keep others safe.
good job. That's a good word. Okay, anyone?
Anissa, udah semua kayaknya.
Anita?
Aku, Anissa.
Christian?
It tells us to care about people.
Good. Anyone? One? Anissa?
Wait. It shares the idea that kindness is good for everyone.
Very, very good.
Very.
Okay, from the story we all know that okay, from this video we all know that everything has its story and we can get something from it. Yeah, from it. From it. We can get more value from everything. As we can see, the video was just depicting rock being moved. It's a story, and we can get something from it. Okay, next. I'm gonna send you a link to Padlet. Okay, I just send you the link. Can you read this, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to divide you into two groups. This is the group 1 and this is going to be the group 2. Okay. This, first I want to give the task for group 1. Group 2 you can wait first. Okay. Okay, group 1, I want you to make a summary of the story about the characters, the setting, and the conflict that happened in here. Also, don't forget the structure from this study, and you can write it in Padlet.
Yes. Yes, sir. Wait a minute. Is this group 1?
Yes, it is group 1 and this is the group 2.
Me.
Alia. Pakai punyamu ya.
Okay.
Can I guys any troubles?
Kan sama edition.
Okay, you may. You look pale. What happened? Are you hungry?
Oh, yung.
Semangat, berbatus. Group 1 kan? Okay, group 2. The task for you is I want from group 1 comment. I want you to verify it whether it's already right or it's wrong. Okay? Understand, guys?
Yes.
Aku bilang
Ya ada kan yang time to sleep.
Okay, group 2 done. Okay, then from first group, now I want you to one representative of first group to come forward, please. One representation.
Alia.
Loh, Putri belum maju.
Bisa Putri tadi sampai bosan.
Dana, Tika belum, Naum belum maju.
Pisang aja.
Pilih aja, Sir.
Belum
Pilih aja.
maju.
Asal jangan saya. Iya, 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 iya.
Ayat 3 ke isi ya. From to repeat.
Sakinah.
Masa kita?
Ya.
Sakina apa Amanda?
Oh, Amanda.
Amanda?
Ya, Amanda.
Come forward.
Ya. Amanda.
Come forward.
Sekular saya boleh.
Oyong masnya.
Apa itu oyong?
Enggak tahu yang itu pusing. Burhan juga.
Bahasa baru.
Bahasanya Burhan.
Now, group workers, Rick, can you present your answer?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So the characters from the story, the first is the ant, the dog, and the hunter. The setting is a place near a spring, grass, and a tree. The time is on a hot day, and the last is the conflict. The ant falls into the water and is in danger of drowning. Later, the dog is in danger of being caught by the hunter. The structure, orientation, the ant looks for water on a hot day and comes to a spring. Complication, the ant falls into the water. Later, the hunter tries to catch the dog. Resolution, the dog saved the ant with a leaf, and the ant saved the dog by beating the hunter. And the moral is one good turn deserves another.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. After checking the story and the identification from group 1, here is the result. The character is right. The characters are correctly identified: the ant, the dog, and the hunter. The setting is right. The place are near a spring, grass, and a tree, and the time are on a hot day. Match the story. The conflict is right. The conflicts are correct. The ant is in danger of drowning, and the dog is in danger of being caught by the hunter. The structure is right. The orientation is correct. Communication is correct. Resolution and moral is correct. The conclusion is the identification made by group 1 is correct and already matched the narrative text 1. Thank you.
Okay, good job. Give a point to her.
Okay, sir, you may close.
Wait. That is what
Yang nggak ada. Aman.
Okay, guys. Here now I want to reflect for what you have learned today. What you have learned for today, and what is the insight of it that you can know. What is the structure of narrative text?
Orientation.
Orientation, then implication, then
Resolution.
and the next, the one that's optional. Ah, good job everyone. Okay, you're doing a good job, and this is a simple kata-kata. The true story, learning English can become more fun and meaningful. Okay, before I close the class, is there anyone absent today? No. Okay, everyone present today. Okay, now I guess the lesson is done. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, Farid.
Ayo Mas Farid.
Izin ya, saya izin.
Izin terus
Foto kelompok yang
Ini kan
ada sing siap.
besok awal aku ambil ibor apa
Siapa yang lagi?
awal pertama
Opsional.
sang bintang